Good day, everybody. Back for another, unboxing sort of review. What I think of it anyway. Today I have an achievement planner by a company called UDLAB Products, and they are out of New Jersey, USA. Well, let's just jump right into this unboxing / review. So let's pop her out of this little cellophane case and see what we got going. So first initial thoughts. It's heavy. It's got 272 pages, if I remember correctly. It's right here is a spot for holding your cell phone, pen. This is made out of premium leather. You can smell it. It smells pretty good. It feels great. It also came with these planner stickers as well that I totally forgot to say anything about. So you got, you can see what you got here. Under little affirmation ones. This was kind of an add-on, special add-on for stretch goal, I think it was, if I remember correctly. Some stickers I probably will never use. Other stickers that guaranteed I'll use, like these reminders and don't forget and taxes payday, bills due, whatnot like that. Yeah, I'll definitely be using those. A lot of these ones too I'll be using. Maybe some of those ones too. A lot of these ones I'll be using. Yeah, those ones, eventually. You never know. Maybe. If we ever get to that point again. Cleaning time, errands, stuff like that. Reminders. And then your months and days of the week and whatnot, which I will definitely be using these for in the calendar part, which, save me for having to write it on there. And I just peel it off and stick it on there. Anyway, those were the stickers. Let's go on with the rest of it. So let's just jump right into this. As far as I'm aware, this is not like any other planner I have ever seen on the market. I am actually quite new to using any kind of a planner, so this is going to take a little bit of getting used to for me. So I will start out with saying it comes with, it's not genuine leather, my bad. It's quality PU leather cover. Then I touched on the elastic mobile and pen pocket. Has 2-page markers right here. It is high quality, 120 GSM paper. The book is 5.83 inches by 8.27 inches, which is 148 millimeters by 210 millimeters. So I will be going on a little bit of this, and I'll back and forth through their Kickstarter campaign page and the book here, because I haven't even started on this. I really don't know how everything goes, so we will just go through this. So we got, first off, your name, address, contact number, email, birthdays, and contacts. And then we got your measurements for you and your spouse, your different clothing sizes, shoe sizes, weight tracker from month to month, which is nice and handy. Your travel destinations and whatnot, which is, roll down here, and we will get to, let's go through this. You got a yearly, weekly, monthly layout, blank pages for doing whatever you want on. It says back pocket, but it's actually on the front. Pen loop, elastic closure, which is right here. Then you got body measurement tracker, which I showed, the health and vitamin middle sheet, which we'll get into here, nat chart measurement, which I'm not exactly sure what that is, because literally I've just started using a planner, financial tracker, and travel plan. So let's find, there's the body and measurement layout, and this is body measurement and tracking, which is the page we just left off on. And then we got, not the page we just left off on, this one is. But this is the travel planner. You just, you drawings of where you were or whatnot, and, diddle doodles from your travels and whatnot. We got a health and minerals page, which I'll show you here. And you got most of your basic ones, like your folic acid, biotin, choline. I don't know. I don't know half the words of these anyway. And you take a look through here, your vitamins and everything like that, and your daily dosages and where it's found and whatnot, where you can get it naturally, what it does for your body. And then your second page, which is really handy. You also got daily quotes. This here you have Nat Chart Manager. I'm guessing projects and task planner for if you're running a business or something. Financial tracker. I guess I'll just go through it right on here since it shows the pages, and then I'll just show you the actual pages through the book. Future goal mind mapping. which I really have to get into learning mind mapping myself because I am all over the place all the time with my schedule and everything. I just kind of erratic, but I'll get there eventually. Monthly goal settings, habits tracker, which is another one I really got to learn how to do. I'm not exactly sure how these work, but I'm sure there's somebody out there that knows a bit more about achievement planning than I do and would be able to say what this is exactly and how to use it. You got a bullet tracker, which is another thing I really need to study up on and learn how to do. You got a weekly planner and self-reflections for the month or whatever. How to use an achievement planner. This doesn't really so much tell me how I'm using this exactly. I guess if you already know and you've already used an achievement planner in the past, then you're not going to really have an issue. But for someone like me that's never used a planner, has horrible scheduling, and has never done anything like this before, this is really totally Greek to me. But I'm sure I'll get used to it and figure it out eventually. We'll all wanted to be using some sort of a travel planner. If we ever get to travel again, I will figure out how to use this and actually start using it. The monthly planner, goal setting, to-do lists, and then, yeah, pretty much all this over again. But has this section throughout the whole thing. Each section is in every single month, and this thing is undated. So whenever you get it, you can just start your date from wherever you are. And they come in royal brown, cherry red, blue gray, which is the one I have, vibrant purple, royal blue, elite black, aqua green, and pink. So we'll go in through here and show you the pages I just went through on there, measurements and everything, vitamins and minerals, your daily affirmations or quotes for positivity, and then your monthly calendar where you can start off wherever you want. Project tasks. This is your, I'm guessing that's your NAT project page or whatever. Future goals, yearly expenses, topics of the month or what you're going to focus on, your top goals for that month. Bullet tracker, habits, monthly notes, and then we're into your weekly mind mapping and tasks and whatnot. Monthly money tracker, monthly reflection, mind mapping, sketch notes. And then you pretty much have the same whole thing from month to month over and over and over again, which is actually quite handy. I'm sure it's going to be anyway. And that goes all the way to the last set of pages anyway. Well, you have a bunch more empty space back here for your own personal notes and everything else like that, which is pretty decent. And then one thing I kind of really like in the back here, they built in a little folder. So you can put other little pieces of notes or, Post-its or whatnot and keep them nice and safe in there. So far, I really enjoy it. Well, I haven't used it yet, but I'm enjoying how much they put into it and the quality of the book and everything like that. It's really quite nice. So yeah, I will be leaving their Kickstarter link just for reference if you want to see how that campaign has gone. They also still have their Indiegogo live in demand right now where you can pick one up. Or these are really decent priced right now on Indiegogo for 30% off. You can get one for 29 USD, which is 37 Canadian, which is 30% off of 42 USD of retail. Still, really good price. Really, really good price for a well-made achievement planner. So I will be leaving those links down below in the description, or just below the description anyway, in that general area somewhere anyway. So if you enjoyed my little unboxing and general sort of first-time review kind of thing, please hit that like button. And if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you can get my future content. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day, everybody. And I'll see you in the next video.